After speaking this parable, Jesus was about to dismiss the multitude, when a sympathetic believer, making his way through the crowds towards him, asked, "But Master, how shall we know about these things? How shall we be ready for the King's invitation? What sign will you give us, whereby we shall know that you are the Son of God?" And when the Master heard this, he said, "Only one sign shall be given you." And then, pointing to his own body, he continued, "Destroy this temple, and in 3 days I will raise it up." But they did not understand him. As they dispersed, they talked among themselves, saying, "Almost 50 years has this temple been in building, and yet he says he will destroy it and raise it up in 3 days. Even his own apostles did not comprehend the significance of this utterance, but subsequently, after his resurrection, they recalled what he had said. The Urantia book, paper 173, section 5, paragraph 4.